Hey guys, I'm at 99¢ only. Just got done. We had breakfast. There was a new Denny's close to us, so our dog park group, we had breakfast there, and then I came up here and I did find some Christmas things that I don't need, but I wanted. So I thought I'd share them with you. They have some really cute stuff. They have a lot of the red truck, red car decor. So I got this. I might, if I make a Christmas wreath, I might do this, or I'm just gonna hang it on my craft room door. We have a lion fountain out in front, and so for Halloween, Mike was looking for something to decorate him with, and our neighbor across the street, Lori, she found a headband, a Halloween headband, and put it on the fountain. But this is for the car, so I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna see if Mike is interested in attaching it, but it's a car kit, so you can make your car look like a reindeer. It was $2, $1.99, and it's decent quality. I mean, it's decent. So, oops, I shouldn't have done that. I had a couple of glass ornaments in there. So I guess this, oh, sorry. Hi! I guess this is supposed to light up or something. I don't know. I don't care about that. But look at this pillow. This was $5.99. Sorry guys, my steering wheel is in the way. But isn't that cute? For my settee in the front. The one I bought from Carol, from the old Carol show. Carol, if you're watching this, we just love the pieces we got from you. They're so much fun to decorate. I'm gonna miss you now that you're a California girl. Okay, now this bag, we have a few different things in here. I just love this design. The Santa Merry Christmas. So I got 2 packs. There are 20 in each. And if you've been watching any of my Dollar Tree hauls, I put those in the napkin holder on our kitchen table. And then these will go in the bathroom, the guest bathroom downstairs, or Mike's bathroom as I call it. And then this was just kind of floating around. I don't know, I couldn't find any others, but isn't that pretty? This one is so pretty. And then they had, somebody took the pins out, but they actually have pearl top pins to hold them. So I only saw one of those. I got this for Jax, Liz's roommate's little boy. He's 3. I think he'll enjoy that. And I also got him this. I thought this was really cute. It's a little Jeep with the candy, and then he can, you know, play with it. Tough Tracks, off-road vehicle with candy. Okay, I got that. And I have these. Oh my God. So here's the red one. They're so cute with the Christmas tree on top. And I got the silver one. And they had a green. I saw one green one, but I just got these 2. I got 2 packs of these acorns to put in my my Hello Fall bucket that I bought at Walmart. So I'm gonna put something in the bottom because the bucket's pretty deep. So I'll put something in the bottom so I can put those on. And then I found this one, this garland. This is really pretty. It has some of the purpley reds in it. Hello Fall garland. My friend Tina's coming over to make a wreath, but she went to Dollar Tree and they didn't have any mesh left. So she's gonna look at Walmart. It's a little more expensive, but. And then I got 2 of the mini lights, a 20 count. I have, one is the Lucky Buddha beer bottle, and it's green glass and it's in the shape of a Buddha. It's so cute. So I put these in there and plug them in the kitchen. And then I have another one. It's a ginger beer bottle, I think. And so those act like night lights in the kitchen. I have 2 of them. I'll probably pick up a couple more of the white lights because, you know, inevitably by June or so they burn out, and I don't want to dig through all the Christmas stuff. So I'm going to have a separate stash of those lights for my bottles. So anyway, that was it. 99¢ only, and it's 57 degrees. It's really cooled off, which is nice. It's very pleasant. Mike and I went out for dinner last night, and I had on a long sleeve shirt, and then I had a sweater on over it, and when we came out I could have had a jacket. It was chilly. So, and they're building a bunch of stuff. Hang on here. I'm gonna try to move you around here so you can see. There's a Silverton Casino. Whoa, hang on folks, sorry. Are you still there? See, this is why I don't have a professional YouTube career. So they're building all that stuff, and then over there, through that intersection, you go over there, and that's where Dollar Tree is. So they're just across Blue Diamond. So anyway, hello, I'm back. Okay guys, well, boy, I hope I didn't screw that up, but no, I think I did okay. We'll see. All right guys, thanks for watching. Love you. Have a great weekend. Bye.